Thank you, and thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be here. I just want to start with a little bit of background about the fund. So, in 2020, Jeff Bezos made a $10 billion commitment to combat the climate crisis and to protect nature. Recognizing the critical state of loss and degradation, $3 billion of that $10 billion, the original commitment, was set aside to just address nature issues. At the Bezos Earth Fund, our nature work is in three primary categories: conservation, restoration, and the transformation of food systems. But as we all know, there's no one single actor that can stop the loss of nature or halt the biodiversity crisis. Instead, real progress requires both engagement and co-production with all stakeholders. Key to this mission are Indigenous peoples and local communities who are the primary stakeholders living in, governing, and protecting key biodiversity areas. In fact, and as you already heard a little bit today, 36% of global land area identified as key biodiversity area, and 40% of remaining forests lie within IPLC lands. Oh, great, there I am. Now you can see it here. So like I said, and 40% of forests are within IPLC lands. And those lands are being managed better than anywhere else. More than 90% of IPLC lands are found to be sustainably managed, and therefore it's no mystery why supporting IPLCs needs to be at the core of many solutions, not just for the Earth Fund, but for the whole world. However, as we also know, lands of IPLCs are frequently threatened, especially when their tenure is insecure. The evidence so clearly shows that to support nature and climate, we must support land tenure security. And how can the Earth Fund help do this? The big question. Well, one of the many different ways, not the only one, is data. Geospatial data that can help map Indigenous territories and local communities, making lands not only more visible, but less vulnerable. When mapping is integrated with data on biodiversity, greenhouse gases, and land use change, we can further highlight the importance of IPLCs in the fight to protect nature and to stop climate change. To achieve this, the Bezos Earth Fund is so incredibly proud to partner with LandMark to support Indigenous peoples and local communities secure tenure of their lands. When integrated with initiatives like WRI's Land and Carbon Lab and Global Forest Watch programs, LandMark is so well poised to support both people and the planet, which are not separate and are also together. At the Bezos Earth Fund, we are so excited to be a part of this initiative and support folks doing the best work for nature on the ground. So thank you so much.